cooking doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you've got the right tools by your side. In today's video, we're diving into 20 kitchen gadgets that will make cooking tanks easier. You can find links to all these gadgets in the description. Let's jump right in. Starting off strong with this electric air fryer, this isn't just for fries, it's a full convection oven. With its large capacity and 360 degrees baking, dishes come out crispy without a drop of oil. Plus, that viewable window makes it easy to keep an eye on dinner without opening the lid. Next up, a compact but versatile multi-cooker. Perfect for 1-2 people, it works as a rice cooker, soup maker, and mini hot pot all in one. Whether it's a quick solo meal or a cozy dinner for two, this pot handles it with ease. Prepping ingredients takes minutes with this rechargeable handheld chopper. Garlic, onions, peppers, or even small cuts of meat are handled smoothly without a cutting board mess. Its cordless design makes it convenient anywhere in the kitchen. For smoothies on the go, this 350 ml portable blender is a winner. Equipped with 4 or 10 blades, it blends fruits into silky juices in seconds. With USB recharging, it's ready anytime, whether at home or outdoors. Boiling pasta or rinsing veggies. This silicone strainer clips right onto pots and pans. No bulky colander needed, just tilt and drain. It's compact, practical, and a genius space saver. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and accidental nicks with this slicing aid. It holds vegetables in place, guiding the knife perfectly for even slices. From onions to potatoes, it makes prep safer and faster. Keeping everything organized is effortless with this multifunctional cutlery basket. With space for dishes, bowls, chopsticks, knives, and even a cutting board, it's a complete drying station. Clean and tidy counters are no longer a challenge. Cracking eggs neatly is often trickier than it looks. This eggshell opener and separator gives a clean cut every time, making it perfect for baking or breakfast prep. No more messy shells or fishing out tiny bits from the bowl. Garlic lovers know the struggle of chopping or mincing by hand. The aluminum alloy garlic press squeezes cloves in seconds, releasing rich flavor with minimal effort. It's strong, easy to handle, and saves plenty of prep time. Cooking eggs to perfection can be hit or miss. This electric egg cooker handles up to 14 eggs at once, with options for soft, medium, or hard boiling. The automatic shutoff means no overcooking and zero babysitting required. Peeling and slicing pineapples used to be a messy task. The stainless steel pineapple cutter makes it quick and clean by coring and slicing in one motion. Fresh pineapple rings are ready in seconds, with minimal waste. Kitchen and bathroom cleaning can be tough on the hands. This cordless electric spin scrubber uses rotating heads to power through grime on sinks, tiles, and windows. Lightweight and rechargeable, it takes the strain out of scrubbing. For quick peeling, the silicone garlic peeler tube is a surprisingly handy tool. Just pop the clove inside, roll it on the counter, and skins come off instantly. It's non-toxic, safe, and eliminates sticky garlic fingers. For fun snacks or party sides, the potato spiral cutter adds creativity to the kitchen. It slices potatoes into perfect spirals for frying or baking. A quick twist turns a simple potato into a crispy, eye-catching treat. Seal food bags tightly and keep ingredients fresh with this handheld heat sealer. Lightweight yet powerful, it works on plastic bags instantly, making storage more organized. Perfect for leftovers, snacks, or even on-the-go meal prep. Maximize space with this wall-mounted storage rack. Detachable stainless steel brackets and multiple hooks keep knives, utensils, and tools within easy reach. A smart, sleek solution for an organized and clutter-free kitchen. Clean corn, yams, radishes, and more effortlessly with this handy brush. Its bristles remove dirt and whiskers without damaging the surface, making washing produce fast and efficient. A must-have for keeping fruits and veggies fresh and clean. Peeling corn has never been this effortless. This serrated corn stripper shaves kernels cleanly off the cob without mess. Its sharp stainless steel design makes prep quick, and the ergonomic handle ensures a safe, comfortable grip every time. Perfect for corn lovers and busy kitchens alike. Open cans, bottles, and drinks instantly with this compact manual gadget. Its non-slip grip makes it easy to handle, and the portable design means it's perfect for kitchens, bars, or even parties. Simple, durable, and ready to tackle every stubborn lid with ease. Peeling, scaling, and prepping fruits or veggies is a breeze with this double-sided tool. It prevents splashes while making peeling precise and clean. Its multifunctional design ensures less mess, faster prep, and a smoother cooking experience.